Okay, so this is what Raynaud's looks like. Raynaud's turns your fingers white. And it's from the lupus. And it's tingly, and it's gonna the veins collapse and won't let any blood in, so I'm warming it up. To try to get the blood to come back. If it doesn't come back, I have to go to the ER. Because this is very bad. Because it can cause significant damage to your arteries. But there, it's coming. The blood's starting to come back. Here we go, it's almost all done. I go through this every day, just about. If I put my hands in the freezer, or if my fingers get cold, which is really hard because I've been sweating. I have a significant sweating problem. There, it's kind of blue now. I haven't seen the blue before that much. And because I sweat so much from my scalp and my face, I'm constantly in front of a fan. And when I do that, it's chilly in Florida right now, but I'm sweating in the chill. And here, that's looking a lot better. My thumb's got a little bad too. Here, back to normal. Southeast. Oh, my left hand has some too. Ay. There. Ay. So I have to wear gloves when I go to the grocery store and I put my hands in the freezer. Or if I'm in the house cooking, which is what I was just doing. I was chopping up some meat to put in my beans. Oh, that one's hot. It's hot already. But anyway, that's what Raynaud's looks like. Raynauds. And even my hand, you can see it gets blotchy where you have some white and some red, and the skin, the blood's not flowing right. And this is life with lupus. Huh, Alfie? Just thought you might want to see.